Alright, so in this video we'll be looking how to add shape dividers to your pages. So these are really cool dividers between different sections to make your pages look a lot more fun. So how do you do that? Just click on the block settings and inside you have this option, add shape divider. Inside you have different options from, different types of shapes that you can select from. You can also change the color of it, and as in this case you have to obviously make it white to fit the white background at the bottom. So you can select the white background and you can see the transition of this really cool and interesting looks of your shape divider. So you can also change it to something else like this one. This one is really cool and interesting divider that you can add to your page. So you can select the different design that you want to pick, and when you're ready you just so in this case, in this shape divider, you can obviously flip it on the horizontal or vertically by inverting the divider. So this way you can adjust the position and how it looks on the page. You can also add it at the top or at the bottom. So if it is like this, obviously you can invert it back to have a different divider on top. But for the sake of the example, let's keep it at the bottom. Of course, if you want to have more spacing, obviously you can adjust it with the handles to make it more different types of designs that you can do. And that's it. This is how easy it is to make a different shape that is divided between the different sections. And as you can see, this really opens up your pages to be more fun with different transitions. You can do that everywhere basically. So you can add now a shape divider here, for example, to make it more fun. And you can use this color that is here, and you can use it for adding a shape divider on top, for example. Let's select it to be on top. In this case, make the color to be actually white and reverse it. So we can have it with some kind of a interesting transition, maybe something like with opacity, something like this. And you can of course add more spacing on top to make it the way you want. So you can do different types of shapes, divides, and create amazing page transitions between the different sections. And that's it. All you can do is from the block settings, add a shape divider. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have more questions on how to use the shape dividers or anything else, just let us know.